Good afternoon, friends. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who has been kind enough to join us at today's celebration of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, the third edition of Empower Fest 2025. I also would like to acknowledge the presence of many officers drawn from various departments, eminent citizens, and various activists, friends from civil society, NGOs, the media fraternity. I would like to make a special mention of the presence in our midst of Shri Shangpliang, Chief Advisor, Meghalaya State Paralympics Association, Dr. N.P. Lalu, Kong Yamans Aim, DGP, Kong Nongrang, Dr. Ilang Brams Aim, and special congratulations to the entire team in the Department of Social Welfare for having made this Empower Fest 2025 another milestone in the journey of the Department of Social Welfare in reaching out, especially to the differently abled persons whom we continue to support and foster their aims and ambitions. We just saw a young man, Kennedy Renja, who is profusely gifted in the arts, and the moment he was wheeled onto the stage, I immediately could picture Stephen Hawking, the noted physicist and cosmologist. And if somebody like Stephen Hawking could make it big and become the legend that he is today, I'm sure we have many such promising personalities in our midst. I have always maintained that when it comes to the definition of disabled, I'm always at a loss, because I could see a lot of us with both eyes open. We have eyesight, but no vision. A lot of us can hear perfectly well, but we do not listen. A lot of us have both our hands intact, but those hands are yet to touch any lives. We have 2 feet that can walk, but they have not walked the walk of faith as yet. So therefore, the pertinent question is, who is differently able? We just saw the band of friends, the Eastern Brook. They have been performing at various programs, various platforms, and their music reminds me of somebody like Stevie Wonder. Born blind, he turns blind at the age of 2. And yet his music, his lyrics have opened the eyes of many people with perfect eyesight. When Moses was asked to go and tell the Pharaoh with one sentence, "Let my people go." He became nervous. He said, "I stutter, I stammer. How can I go and say those words to the Pharaoh?" But God told him, "Who said that you can't speak? Who said that you stammer? Who gave you your tongue?" That gave Moses the courage to go ahead and proclaim, "Let my people go." So on a day like today, I'm very happy to acknowledge the support of the entire team in the Department of Social Welfare. First and foremost, the support of our Honorable Chief Minister, who was kind enough to ensure that I continue to give my inputs and advice by appointing me as advisor to a department which he heads, the Department of Social Welfare. By name, Conrad means counselor. So it means that I'm an advisor to the counselor. It's an honor. And the entire team, the Office of the Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, the Composite Regional Center, all of these, with the active role played by the Directorate in the leadership of Doreen, I'm sure that we will be able to connect better and achieve our proclaimed goals of ensuring that we bridge the gap between those we consider differently abled and the rest of us. Friends, on an occasion like today, where we also have avenues to allow the differently able to showcase their talent in the arts, in filmmaking, and to enhance their livelihood potential, I must state that the state of Meghalaya has done a tremendous job in the Department of Social Welfare. But as the saying goes, the biggest room in the world is the room for self-improvement. Yaki parlok, ki kiwe ki kpa, ki badon ki khon, ki bahing hasem, ki ba don ke jing bamla hagi khotmet, ka khubor ke jonga yipi galong, wat do mensiam. Ni don hangni ban kershan yipi, ni ai yipi ke rensan ke pabiang, ki samla ki badon kasap kopong, hakarwai kaput, hakasing snai ki film, hakiwei ki benta jong ke jing im. Ni don hangni ban kershan, ni don hangni ban ai ke kti, kamon kediang ban yetrai ringkat, ban pentikena ba ki khun ki jong pi, ki bahing hasem ki jong pi, kinyo ye ke ju ka treatment ka bangi ni ai ye gitu ki parlok ki ba mdei nakani ke kenhun jong ki badan ke jing duna hagi department. Before resuming my seat, I'd like all of us on a day like today to silently take a pledge that we make a difference. I read one line, and I'd like to end my speech with this line. The problem with most of us is not that we should be afraid of death, but in fact, we should be afraid that we have not started living. Thank you. Kublai Shibun, Mithila, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Pak Paul, for your constant encouragement and support for the art and inclusion. We now proceed to the felicitation of the winners of the second Northeast Para Sports Meet that was